So right now we have an emergency video for Jasmy coin because it looks like Jasmy coin is right now dipping to the downside, and in this video we'll be discussing the recent price action, what we can do from here, the important levels to look out for, and also my new targets for Jasmy coin. So if you're holding Jasmy coin right now, you don't want to miss this update video I have for Jasmy coin. So right now we are inside the shorter 4-hourly time frame, and as you guys can see, Jasmy coin is dipping to the downside. Now the reason behind this is because Jasmy for the past couple of hours has pumped to the upside back to this recent swing high, which is acting as a resistance zone. Therefore right now it looks like we have attempted to break out of this level and we have failed to do so. So therefore we are seeing right now Jasmy get rejected, and now we are dumping to the downside. So essentially the reason behind this is because we have approached a key level of resistance. And again, I have made a warning in my previous Jasmy video to you Jasmy holders that I said be careful buying at these levels, because I was primarily expecting a pullback, which happened right here. We call this pullback to the downside. We found support exactly at this support level, which is an order block, and then we bounced from there. And now we have had an attempt to break above this. We failed to do so, and now we're moving to the downside. So right now, just stay cautious, because currently Bitcoin is also trading at the all-time high where there is really massive resistance. So if you do see a slight dip for Bitcoin, this would affect the altcoins tremendously. So yeah, but for now, expect this level to act as support, and also this level right here. So these levels are 0.02 cents and also 0.017 cents. These are the two important support levels to look out for. Primarily the most ideal or the strongest level of support is at the 0.017 cents level, but also I'm expecting support to act for Jasmy at 0.02 cents. But now let's talk about my new targets, because for your information, I have now set new targets for the mid to long term for Jasmy, and I know many of you want to hear this. So right now we are inside the longer weekly time frame, and as you guys can see, the chart essentially looks bullish because Jasmy has recently broken above this order block, which is again previous strong resistance, but since we closed the weekly candle above it, it's now flipped to strong support. So it looks like this level is supporting Jasmy as reflected by the wick right here. Therefore this is indeed acting as strong support. There are a ton of buyers in this level, and right now essentially what I'm expecting is, if we do move back into the 4-hourly time frame, if we do see Jasmy break above this previous swing high, and that is specifically at around 0.025 cents. If we do see Jasmy break above the previous swing high close right here and flip that to support, that would be bullish, because now we could move to the next major target, which is the next supply zone, and that is at around 0.036 cents. So that is essentially my next target for Jasmy coin. Let's wait for everything to settle down first, because Jasmy has recently had this strong run towards the upside, but I believe that if Bitcoin breaks past the all-time high and it starts to settle down and cool off, we're going to be seeing altcoins rally tremendously, and that includes Jasmy. So that's why I'm also feeling bullish on Jasmy, and 0.036 cents will be our next target for the next leg up. And after that, we have the next target of around 0.071 cents, which is this next order block. So these are the two levels to look out for the midterm, and I'm expecting Jasmy to touch these levels soon as Bitcoin enters into a bull market after the Bitcoin halving. So that's a quick update. If you guys would like to learn how to make $100 a day, watch this video on the screen right now.